Good morning all of you. Today we are going to study English and the topic is use of a an. आज हम लोग इंग्लिश में a और an का यूज़ पढ़ेंगे. In previous video before summer vacation we have already read about vowels. Today we will revise that, then we will complete this portion. Okay? पहले समर वेकेशन के पहले हम लोगों ने vowels पढ़ा है. Vowels, and you know what are vowels? There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. Okay, these are vowels, and before these vowels we use a n. A, E, I, O, U क्या है? vowels हैं, और vowels के पहले हम लोग n यूज़ करते हैं. कैसे? A for, suppose that I have written A for apple. A P P L E, apple. This is apple, and this is started with A. A is vowel. Then before A we will have to use A and N. Okay? हम लोगों ने ये एप्पल वर्ड लिखा जो कि ए से शुरू होता है, और ए क्या है? वॉवल है. तो वॉवल के पहले हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे? एन. ए एन एन. दिस इज ई. दिस इज ई. आई हैव रिटन हियर ई ए जी एल ई, eagle. What is this? This is eagle. Before E we will use N. Why? Because E is vowel. Eagle में ये फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है? E. वो किसके अंडर आता है? vowel के. तो हम लोग vowel के पहले क्या यूज़ करते हैं? A and N. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ लिखा A and N. An eagle, an apple. Okay? Same thing here. I have written I, which comes under vowel. For example, I N K, ink. P O T, pot. Ink pot. Ink pot is starting with letter I, which comes under vowel. Then we will use here A and N. A and N. Here it is O. For O, O W L, owl. This is O, letter O, which comes under vowel. Then we will write here A and N. Okay? A and N, owl. Why? O comes under vowel. Before vowel we always use N. हमेशा vowel के पहले क्या यूज़ करते हैं? N. In the same way, this is U. U for umbrella. I have written here U M B R E L L A, umbrella. First letter of umbrella is U. It comes under vowel. Then we will write here A and N. Okay? Now I think it is clear that before vowel we will use N. Now before consonant we will use A. Before vowel we have to use N. Before consonant, we have to use A. And what are consonants? Let's see. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants. These are consonants, and before these consonants we have to use A. Before these consonants we have to use A. Okay. For example, if I have written B-O-Y, boy, then first letter of B-O-Y, boy, is B. First letter is B. Then we will have to use here A. A, boy. A, boy. We will pronounce here A. Not A, A. Means a boy. In the same way, if I have written C-A-T, cat, then what will we use? C is consonant, and before consonant we have to use A, means A. Here we will write A cat, a cat. Okay. Now it's clear that before vowels we have to use and before consonant we have to use A. Okay, it's clear. Now we will complete this portion, that is use of A and N. Now number 1, A-N-T, ant. Ant starts with letter A. Okay, and A comes under vowel. A comes under vowel. मीन्स कि A जो है वो वॉवल है, और वॉवल के पहले हम लोगों को क्या यूज़ करना है? एन. ए, एन, एन. नाउ वी विल रीड एन, एंट. ओके. नाउ नंबर 2, H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. The first letter of hen is H. First letter of hen is H and H is consonant. H क्या है? Consonant है, और consonant के पहले हम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? A. क्या यूज़ करते हैं? A. और A को पढ़ते क्या है? A hen. A hen. Number 3, B-O-Y, boy. This also start with B. This is also starting with B, and B is consonant. Then what will we write? We will write A, and we will read this A. Okay, we will read this A. Then it will be a boy. A boy. Number 4, O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. O is vowel. O क्या है? Vowel है. Then we will use here A-N, an. O क्या है? Vowel, और vowel के लिए हम लोगों को क्या use करना है? An. Then we will write here A-N, an. Okay, number 5, I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Insect, first letter is I. I is vowel. Then now I think you have understood what we have to write here. And we have to write here an insect. Why? Because I is vowel. Now number 6, D-O-G, dog. First letter of dog is D, and D is consonant. Then we have to write here A. And what we will pronounce this? We will say A. We will say A. A dog. A dog. Number 7. E-A-R, ear. And first letter is E. E is vowel. And what we have to do now? We have to use here A and an. An ear. An ear. Number 8. G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. फर्स्ट लेटर इज जी. गर्ल का फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है? जी. और जी क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट. और कॉन्सोनेंट के पहले क्या यूज़ करते हैं? अ. कॉन्सोनेंट के पहले क्या यूज़ करते हैं? अ. गर्ल. अ गर्ल. नंबर 9. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. What is the first letter? First letter is B and it comes under consonant. And for consonant we have to use A. We have to use A. A book. A B-O-O-K, book. Now it is number 10. Number 10. U-M-B-E-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U is vowel and before vowel we have to use A and an. An umbrella. An umbrella. 11. H-U-T, hut. H is again consonant and before consonant we will use A and we will pronounce this A. This is a hut. A hut. 12. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange, first letter O. And now you know what have to do. O comes under vowel and before vowel we have to use here A and an. Number 13. F-I-S-H, fish. F is consonant. Before consonant we will use A. We will use A. A fish. A fish. 14. E-G-G, egg. First letter E. And what is this? This is vowel. And before vowel we have to use A and an. Now it is an egg. Number 15. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Tree, first letter T and this comes under consonant and we will write here A. And what we will say this? A. This will happen a tree. A tree. Number 16. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. First letter A and it is vowel and we have to write A and an. Number 17. C-A-T, cat. C is consonant and we have to write A. We have to write A and what we will say? A cat. A cat. Number 18. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Ice cream. First letter is I and it is vowel. First letter is I and it is vowel. And what we have to do now? We have to use A and an ice cream, an ice cream. Now I think you have very well understood about use of a and an. Okay. Now all of you have to note down this use of a and an in your English notebook. Okay. And your writing should be neat and clean. Okay. Thank you.